Yo guys, real quick before we jump into today's video, there are only a few days left to enter in the giveaway for the TE37s. $20 buy-ins, 18 by 10, 0.5 plus 15, burning red. We're gonna powder coat them any color that the winner wants. Every single penny and dollar is going to help my brother Cameron, who is going through leukemia right now. It is greatly appreciated. I'm super excited to see who wins these things. First link down below, $20 buy-ins. Thank you.
Stop looking so cute. Sheesh. Oh. Way too freaking early.
Should we go get built? I'm getting my first mod today, my friends. Actually, no, I've had one other mod. Appendix delete, remember?
Appendix delete. And you have your knee.
Oh, true.
Honey, but your first cosmetic mod. Not internal.
Yes. The next time you see this face,
You're gonna be trying to hide your teeth.
I'm gonna be talking like a dish. Okay, goodbye.
Wait, let's see him before. Big smile. Cute. Devin's pretty upset, you guys. I literally...
Holy fuck, they're ugly.
Let me see. Baby, you literally can't even see them. They're not even that bad.
They're so goddamn uncomfortable.
Here, let me see the bottom ones.
We can't really talk.
Your teeth are gonna look so good. Guys, it took me like an hour to see Devin smile. You guys got to see it first with me. And they're not even that bad. They're not even bad at all.
I don't care how they look, they feel like shit. I can't even bite.
From this angle, you can't even tell it.
I can't, how am I supposed to eat food?
Let me see, right on.
This tooth right here hits that one, it fucking is annoying.
Well, don't have crooked teeth.
My teeth are too fucked up. Damn, why are they all bent?
Because that's your teeth?
My teeth are that messed up?
Yeah.
Damn, sucks to be ugly.
Baby, you're not ugly. But now he has got to eat a burrito I made him.
So I just ate for the first time. Super difficult. This is gonna be this is gonna be really weird to get used to, guys. But I'm headed to the shop now. I feel like I can't talk. And we are gonna install some, we're gonna install some unequal length headers on the BRZ, which is gonna be fun because it's gonna sound way better. All right, so yesterday, if you did not watch the video, we installed an MXP catback on this thing. It sounds really good. Quite a bit louder, to be completely honest, than I expected, which is a good thing. And now today we're gonna install a set, oh my lord. We're gonna install a set of Tomei unequal length headers. We're gonna run these until we can get a turbo kit on the car. So I don't know how long that's gonna be, if it's a few weeks or a few months or a year. Hopefully people start coming out with turbo kits fairly soon. I don't think it'll be all that much different than a first gen turbo kit. But let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. Super excited. Tomei makes some really quality products. We got them from our guys over at Import Image Racing. So I'll have this exact header linked down below. It does fit a first gen and a second gen FRS BRZ 86. They did include heat wrap, which is actually pretty cool. I'm not going to be using it, but if you do want to use it, they do include it. Now the holy grail. Ugh. Jeez, those things are beautiful. So shiny. So factory on an FRS or BRZ, they come with the equal length manifold factory. If you want to get a Subi Rumble out of one of these guys, you got to put unequal length headers on it. So WRX's STIs, they all came with unequal length. And then pretty much any NA, naturally aspirated, Subaru came with equal lengths. I like both. Bobby's car, we of course run the equal length from ETS and it sounds absolutely amazing. Granted, it helps that car has a rotated turbo kit, a bigger turbo she built, and it sounds insane. We run an unequal length header on the boosted FRS. I love how that car sounds, so I really do like both. I just think that this car, being NA especially, is gonna sound much better with the unequal length. Super excited to get these guys on the car. Let's go ahead and get it up in the air and we can pull off the factory exhaust manifold. So you gotta pop off the under tray to get access to the exhaust manifold, a couple bolts, a couple clips, and that guy should pop off. Holy crap, it's so wild working on a brand new car. Dang, it's nice. There are 3 nuts holding the manifold onto the head on each side. So 3 over here on the driver's side, 3 on the passenger side. We have an O2 sensor right there, and then 2 bolts holding the manifold to the overpipe. All right, so we're gonna have to do a little bit more disconnecting than I thought, which is not a big deal. And I'm sure we could pry this manifold off of here, but it's a brand new car and I don't feel like doing that. So what the problem is right now is the manifold cannot slip past these studs and come off the studs from the head at the same time. So what I'm gonna do, very simple, take that 14 mil off, take those 2 bolts off, slide the front pipe and overpipe back a little bit, get it off the manifold studs, and then we should be able to pull the manifold off. The OEM manifold is off. Check out the difference. OEM manifold, Tomei headers. So much heat shielding on this thing, it's ridiculous. Also, I completely forgot, there's actually 2 O2 sensors. There's one on top too, so all you have to do is reach up and unplug it and just pull it off with the manifold. This is very easy to do. Now let's go ahead and get this O2 sensor swapped over onto this guy. And then we can get the Tomei up on the car. I am so excited to hear how this thing sounds. Should sound really nice. And hopefully even better with, well, it definitely will, with a front pipe and overpipe. All right, headers are on, looking absolutely beautiful. Both O2 sensors are on and plugged in. Everything is tight, or at least it should be. Let's go ahead and lower the car down on the ground. Get that first cold start. I already have a rough idea of what it's gonna sound like. And then I'm gonna crawl under it and make sure we don't have any leaks. If we don't, get the skid plate back on. And today is actually fairly warm outside. The main roads are all fairly clear. So I wanna go cruise this car a little bit. And as long as we can make it out of our parking lot. We got a lot of snow last night, but it got really warm. So there's like half a foot in the parking lot, but as soon as you get out to the main road, we should be good. Let's go ahead and see how this thing sounds. What? Damn, that made it way louder. really, really, really loud for what the system is. It sounds sick. No leaks, all good to go. Nice and clean. I cleaned it off with IPA as well, so it should, when it does start turning color, if it does, I think it will, it should be nice and clean. Hell yeah, guys. Let's get the skid plate on and go rip this car. I'm so excited. The car definitely feels a little bit quicker. I highly doubt it is. If it made any extra power, it's maybe like less than 5 additional horsepower with the header and with the cat back. I don't know, maybe around 5. Like 5 total horsepower is what I would guess. Now, if we had the car tuned, I think it'd make quite a bit more power. Say like 20 more horsepower, 30 more horsepower. I'm just guessing. I've never had a NA, FRS, or BRZ tune before. If you want to pick up this header, I'll link it down below. If you want to pick up the cab back, I'll link it down below. That's literally all we have done to the car. And it's as loud as it is, which is pretty cool. Debating what I want to work on next for the next episode, being that it's, oh my Lord, I cannot talk. Being that it is Christmas time right now, I don't have a ton of time in the shop these days, so that's why we're not doing a whole lot. But it's tomorrow's either going to be wheels and tires, or maybe coilovers, or maybe you wrap the roof. I think a black roof on this thing would look sick. We do have a appointment scheduled for tint, so when we get the tint on, that's going to look really, really good. Comment below, what do you guys want to see next? Roof wrap, wheels and tires, or coils? Also, I really wish I did not live in Spokane right now with all of the snow, because driving this thing in the snow does not go well. Gonna wrap it up right here, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. Big thank you to Import Image Racing for getting this header over to us. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, real quick, I saw a good comment. We always get stickers with all the parts, so I'm gonna start giving them away. If anybody wants this pack of like 7 or 8 Tomei stickers, comment below. The first person to comment Tomei with their Instagram handle so I can get a hold of them, I'll ship these stickers out to you.